In the name of Allah, I am Mohammad Ashraf, teacher, Government High School, Shanu. I am going to deliver English lecture for class 4th. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You know that we have completed the reading of lesson number 5, Tom and his new medicine, and we have completed its exercise too. But today we are going to do it as grammar work. It is grammar time. In previous lessons, we learned about two kinds of sentences. In previous lessons, we learned about two kinds of sentences. The kinds of sentences about we learn were they were assertive or declarative, and number two, imperative. Assertive or declarative and imperative. We have discussed about these sentences in previous classes, and today we are going to learn about other kinds of sentences, that are interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentence, it is a sentence that asks questions. For example, do you like to go to school daily? Number two, what is your favorite subject? It's interrogative sentence. And number two, uh, it was third number. Number three, exclamatory sentence. It is a sentence that expresses some sudden strong feeling or joy or surprise. For example, what a beautiful rose it is, how cold it is, what a silly idea. Number E part, optative sentence. It is a sentence that expresses or a wish or desire. For example, may they live long, I wish I were a teacher. Now we have explained these three kinds of sentences. In previous chapters, we have expressed two kinds of sentences, that were the declarative sentence, assertive sentence, declarative sentence. And now in this lesson, in today, we discuss more three kinds of sentences: interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, optative sentence. In interrogative sentence asks questions. Exclamatory sentence, when we feel any joy or express any sudden feeling, we say that the sentence is exclamatory. And exclamatory sentences are ended with note of exclamation, and interrogative sentences are ended with note of interrogation. Optative sentences as well as exclamatory sentences, both of them are ended with note of exclamation. All exclamatory and optative sentences end with the note of exclamation. Now write in the brackets what kind of sentences are following. Also add the correct punctuation mark at the end of each. Number first, why don't you start your own business? It is interrogative sentence, and it will be end with note of interrogation. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. It is optative sentence, and it will be end with note of exclamation. What pleasant weather. Exclamatory sentence end with a note of exclamation. Also note of exclamation. It will end note of exclamation. It both will end with note of exclamation. How far is the airport from here? Interrogative sentence, and it will be end with note of interrogation. How long shall we take to solve this question? Interrogative sentence and with note of interrogation. Lend me your pen, please. Desire, optative sentence and with exclamation. And now number 7. Number 7. May she become a great teacher. Desire and desire, optative sentence and with note of exclamation. Alas, he has failed. Exclamatory sentence and with note of exclamation. They desire to be teachers. Optative sentence, because desire, express desire, it ends with note of exclamation. May God bless them. Exclamatory sentence, and it will end with the note of exclamation. Now at last, I will repeat these words. I will read these words. Read aloud. Bear, hair, eat, seat, blow, flow, hit, bit, run, fun. No, we have finished this lesson today. Tomorrow I will we will go on the next lesson. It is enough for today. Goodbye. Khuda Hafiz.